I should get for mine is like AC stuff. Collect all the, you know, and put factory AC in. That'd be sweet. Oh yeah, I need a spark plug, which sounds really stupid, but I pulled a spark plug out of the Jimmy the other day and it broke. So then I took a spark plug out of the GTO because it's the same, and I put it in, I switched them, but now the GTO's missing one. I'm gonna order a new one from Rock Auto, but someone took this whole section of the floor here and all the wiring. Well, it's good to see at least people are using the part. Another thing I want to do on the Jimmy is put the 8-inch rallies on the front.
Little tailgate.
Here's the door. A little rusty.
It's actually a not bad condition tailgate for the black truck right here, but don't worry about that right now. It has a tailgate. Oh, Yeller needs a gate.
Grand Am. Parts. It's the Grand Am. Oh, I was supposed to put that on Kijiji today.
Can't sell it.
Why?
It's a good car.
I mean, I drove it the other day and then I was like, oh, should I get rid of this thing? Like, it still runs and drives okay, you know? It's a nice smoothie bumper. Like a really, really nice shape. A little bit of rust there.
I have one.
A smoothie? Oh, look at this.
Yeah. It's that Clayton's.
POV all-terrain. And actually, when the Jimmy died on me the other day, then I was really glad I had the Grand Am. I'm like, well, at least I can take that to work if I have to. I should get a power steering pump for the S10 because I don't know. It seems like the steering is tighter than it should be. Like maybe the steering box or the power steering pump doesn't work as good as it should or something.
Oh, tailgate, but looking at the body, I don't have high hopes for the tailgate. Jesus Christ. It's a lot of spray foam and shit. It's resilient. Oh, and look, there's like some old
hey, look.
Screen. Oh yeah, it's all
Now that's a body job. Jeez, guys.
Looks.
Ugh. Yuckaroony.
No, I don't think I'll pay for that.
Nah, probably pass on that one. But the box sides though.
Yeah.
And the cab.
Yeah, I should cut these out and like.
Oh, there's a starter. Small block starter.
Men in Black sticker in there.
Here comes the Men in Black. Could have used this distributor, but it's gone. Rock Auto, 87 bucks for a new one with cap and everything.
5 liter.
I'm just buying one. What? We're looking at stuff. What do you mean? Junkyard.
Tail light, random.
Square body here. Full set.
Wow, but no, look, it's
That one broken?
broke. Chrome's still good and stuff.
Well, where's it broken?
Is that how they look on the back? I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh.
Shut up! Those guys are flying to America to spend time with our American friends. If they were nicer, I would take them. Could sell them. I have new ones. LS is galore. LS,
Yeah.
LS.
They've definitely restocked.
Yeah. That's good. I haven't seen anything good though, like, you know, just your regular 706 head ones, nothing, no aluminums, but I see some over there. Is that all-wheel drive? Parts for the Cyclone
Yeah.
build. Transfer case in this, I believe, is what the Cyclone used. So you get the transfer case out of this thing and build yourself a Cyclone. Or a Typhoon. So Ruby's graduate say. A Ranger. Oh, it's one of those Rangers with the big body kit on it. Okay. On the front. Oh yeah, yeah.
This wasn't here before?
Ranger GT.
I've definitely seen it somewhere before, sitting.
It's a Ranger GT.
Yeah. This is a little rare, I suppose.
Someone put the seats. There's a bathtub back there. Take a bath.
Yeah, there's hidden seats back here.
This front bumper
Seats
cover
actually
would
would
probably work on an S10. You know, if you wanted to customize, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because it's got fog light holes and everything in it.
You could almost use the seats in the back for the shit horse.
Seats in the back.
Yeah, in the box.
What kind of seats?
Bucket seats. They're a little dirty, but
Shit horse already has bucket seats.
yeah, but these are nicer looking.
Oh, fancy, yeah.
Like kind of low back.
Oh, look at this.
Used to have subs.
Like, what was the guy towing with this thing? He's got a brake controller. This cable is like this thing's mint too. What do I need it for though? Clayton maybe could use it. His is kind of shitty on his truck there.
Yeah. Intermittent trailer lights.
Bonanza.
How would you physically lift it? Track that.
Just fucking lift it. Don't be a pussy, Clayton. Just like this.
Well, they took the pad off the transmission. It's exposed. That's a big-
What is this, the good Ford automatic or something?
Well, all automatics are good. Or all Ford automatics.
I don't know. FOMO.
I'm not sure which one this is.
You don't need a new plug, like a big plug for electrical trailer wiring. You know, the one that your trailer plugs into. Your one on your truck, wasn't it all messed up?
Well,
No, or was it okay after?
it works. It's just you kind of have to.
There's one
Like
over
what it
on
is.
that Ranger over there that looks brand new, like inside, like no corrosion, no rust, nothing.
Like loose?
Well, you just have to cut the wires.
Oh, brake controller?
Well, there's a brake controller in there, but we already got one of those for your truck.
Yeah, it's at home.
But the plug that goes in the back bumper that you plug your trailer into, there's one on that Ranger that looks new. I
On
was
the
gonna.
bumper.
Well, it's not on the bumper. It's just laying there in the back of the truck, but it's still connected to the truck. I just thought maybe if you needed it, you wanted to change yours.
Not at this juncture.
I thought about grabbing it, but then I was like, well, I don't really need it either. So
Well, that's a Gen 3.
yeah.
Not,
Looking good, really.
somebody else buy it.
Oh, fiberglass hood up there. Ram Air Grand Am hood.
It's very majestic.
It's nice today.
Get up super early next
Morning
time and
light.
watch the sun set, or sun come up at the from the junkyard.
Illuminate speaker. It's a nice winter tire. Snow groove. Oh, never mind. It's got a big hole in it.
Fucking piece of rebar sticking out.
Don't get stuck in your bunghole. Oh, we'll see what's over there. I mean, they are putting lots of trucks and that over on this side. This will probably be the newer, you know. Oh, look at that. Bill Earnhardt special. Oh yeah? Yeah.
Ready to go.
Rocked up Impala SS. On Monty?
Yes.
Monte Carlo. All the SS badges are gone. Look at this little aerodynamic spoiler here.
If that would fit any other car. It'd almost fit a Corvette. Not
It's got a
quite.
curve
If
to
you,
it.
if you cut it a little bit.
Nice interior.
Got SS wheels. Another winter
Hmm.
Trailblazer. Trailblazers galore. Hold on. A Sabre. Beautiful Sabre. Cab over.
What's the van got in it?
I don't know. Oh.
Wow.
I'm gonna bite my hand off when it's still locked down. A little chewed up there.
This is like newer than yours, right?
Yeah.
So the grill's no use
Is
to you.
that a F-body Camaro?
Yeah, that's been there forever.
Six-cylinder. Street sixer.
Hmm.
Yeah, I could put this grill on mine, but I'd have to change everything because
Yeah.
mine, the lights are here. So I'd have to change this panel and then use all this, maybe even the rad cradle itself. The radiator support beam. New hands, forward hands. Rip your leg off on that.
Junkyard update on this thing. Still here.
Oh, this has got NGK spark plugs in it. Oh. Here's that piece of the body that they cut off. Gas door. jars.
I don't think it's gonna happen today.
No, nothing.
The LS went the way of a dodo bird.
Lots here.
5 or 6 total.
Yeah. There was none before.
None? When was there none?
Last time we were here, there was hardly any.
I've never been here not there being one. You're telling stories.
For the video, what were you guys looking for today?
A Gen 4 intake manifold and
The bread box SS.
yeah, and possibly the carrier out of an Explorer 8.8, but
Well, why is that again?
because he's upgrading to 31 spline axle, so he needs a 31
Yeah,
spline carrier. Otherwise, it'll just go like this.
Yeah, yeah.
Won't go like this.
Well, I was thinking because you already axle swapped. I'm like, what?
We didn't
But yeah.
axle swap.
No, it. Oh, it had 8.8 already.
Oh, we diff swapped it
Diff
from
swap,
7.5 on
Yeah, yeah.
stock axle.
But it was a Mustang, so it fit. So now you need the Explorer part for you.
And
We need
maybe-
two of those. We
and-
need one for the shit horse.
And
too.
maybe even the rear disc brakes off one too, like,
Yeah. Also times 2.
because we're finding even on like Rock Auto, if you go find 93 rear disc brake caliper,
All of the stuff.
everything's out of stock. And I'm sure the Explorer 8.8s are just as good. The rear brake. That heavy? Where'd Rob go? We lost Rob.
It's over here.
Here, if you want a parking pass for Red River, so you can park in the parking. It says 2019, 2020.
That would be fraud.
I need the toolbox, please.
Well, we're gonna use the toolbox.
Well, that wasn't a waste. Huh?
Thanks. Oh, I don't know. I'm not
It's never a waste at the junkyard. It's always good times.
100% sure if I'm gonna get what I'm looking for, but
What are you looking for?
all these cars, the info button here for there's an info button right here, and when you press it, it changes stuff in here, like tells you how much gas you have left, and or whatever, like the temperature and all that kind of stuff. And it doesn't work. So I don't know if it's the button in the steering wheel or it's something else. So I'm just thought maybe I could get a new button.
2-door Cobalt here.
But I have to remember how to take the airbag off. Just like that. Pretty slick, eh? There's just 2 little clips in here. You gotta put your thing in here and just give it a little dingle, and then it comes off. And hopefully the airbag doesn't explode in your face. That one. There's no power to it.
Like a container of like butter.
Free butter? What?
Yeah, all you can eat.
Where? In here?
It's a plastic container.
On an airbag? Blow it up.
Big money.
Throw it like a grenade.
So yeah, I thought maybe I'd try to change this, just the button, and see if that fixes it, but I don't know. I don't know why it's not working. But I don't know exactly how this comes apart.
My sweater. Maybe there's someone else that's buying all the LSs up.
There was lots of Gen 3s, which is normal. I mean, there's not always Gen 4s here. I mean, it
Always
seemed-
next weekend.
Yeah. Always more accidents.
Do they have a list of stuff that comes in?
You can look online. I don't know how like accurate, updated it is.
I'm just taking the button itself.
Well, if I can just pull it off, I'll just take the...
Yeah, I mean, you just need to take here and take off.
No, this is broken.
That,
Oh, there it goes. Oh, I see.
Put something on there until it touches.
Lots of little dingles to...
It's like a phone case.
I don't need that, and that's all scratched up anyways. It's just this little button right here, the info button. But I don't know, because it's all one switch, and obviously the cruise control works. So unless this button just happened to go bad, I don't know. Probably won't do anything. Thought I'd grab one, could give it a try, see if it'll do anything or not.
Jeez, it's very hot now.
Sun
Yeah.
came out, yeah, it feels nice.
Time to do more Saturday things, I guess.
Not too many of these left this year.
Yeah.
Well, that's it. That's what I
We
said.
should start We should start driving south.
South for the winter, yeah.
Just need somebody to put us up, you know, every
Tail light.
500 miles.
Grand Am GT, fancy wheels. GT wheels. Oh, this is like the red one. I should take this back bumper off. Mind you, it's different, I guess, because I guess it's newer. Because the reverse lights are here,
Make it look like peppermint, white and red.
white and red. Yeah, put the ground, Actually, if I took the ground effects, then that would cover all the rust in the rockers.
What red?
Exactly.